Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is yellow color, green color, orange color, pink color, purple color, red color, parrot color, and the last one is blue color. Now it's time to color a skull. How many skulls can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 skulls.